Cupra. She can transform. This is Wolfram. He can light up. This is Hydrogenio. He can fly. This is Argentum. She can become a mirror. This is Ferrum. He's very strong. Hide and seek.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come! Found you!
Ah, unlucky. The flask is transparent. Why didn't I think of that?
Which one is the real one? There you are! How did you guess? You're cool! You are so good, Koopy! Such attention to detail! It's so dark in here. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm here.
Wolfie, you outed yourself! But thank you for coming to my rescue.
Have you found everyone?
Just Hido is left. I have no idea where he could be hiding. Where could Hido be hiding? Not here. And not here either. I've looked everywhere. He's nowhere to be seen. Has he flown away? That's not fair.
Every one of us is special in some way.
But there's no way I could get up there without flying. Hey, where did you fly off to? We're playing hide and seek, not fly and seek.
Well, what can I do if I'm always flying?
Just try not to fly. Walk around like all normal children.
I tried it. It didn't work. I'm so light inside that I'm constantly being pulled up.
So it's all because of how light you are inside? I suggest you change that lightness to heaviness then.
How?
Hido, you need to have a nice big meal.
We see that in nature, some things are light and some are heavy. Smoke travels upwards, but a stone falls downwards. This happens because everything around us is made of elements of different weights. Hydrogenium, otherwise known as hydrogen, is not only the most widespread, but also the lightest chemical element in nature.
I wasn't expecting guests. Here's the jam and biscuits, here are the sandwiches, and here are the sweets.
I think I will start with the sandwiches.
I'd like a sweet.
Sweets are not a proper meal.
What is a proper meal?
A candy won't give you enough heaviness. Koopy, do you have any porridge or pasta?
Pasta?
Could I still have that sweet? No. There are no more sweets left. That was the last one.
Come on now, Hido, eat up! And we can go straight out to play hide and seek.
Fine, I'll do it. Wow, it all fits in there. Oh, my lightness has disappeared somehow.
Get down! Get down! Get down!
I can feel how heavy I am.
Yeah, it worked. Now let's play.
Wait, hold on. What is it? Look.
Heavy.